how to use lens in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the lens. First of all, open the application. Here on the top at the search bar you can see this camera icon. Simply tap on this camera icon. So as you can see, we are in this camera section, and here you can directly search or click for the photo that you want. So here for example I'm clicking a random photo. So this is a photo of bag. Now this will analyze the photo and give me the suggestions of related bags. So as you can see, these are the suggestions it gives. So everything can be suggested because it's AI, and you'll be able to know and find out the similar product you want to purchase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.